Good afternoon, all. I'm Uma Shankar, actually founder of eSpark Publications. So this is our first company we launched for the book publications, and this book is mainly authored by Dr. Ramkishan sir, who is working as a deputy drugs controller. And the book name is Synapse, and co-authored by Dr. Jyotishri, she's associate professor for St. Mary's College of Pharmacy. And this book is helpful for all the people who are competitive learning in the pharmacy segment. It is helpful for GPAT exam, NIPER exam, drug inspector, government pharmacist, and all the pharmacy competitive exams. So for this will be beneficial for all the pharmacy students. So I request everyone can utilize this opportunity. And about this stall, we got A18 here. It is very wonderful experience. A lot of pharmacy aspirants has come here. A lot of professional has visited our stall. A lot of principals, faculty, all those people has invited. So thank you very much for this opportunity. So this is about eSpark Publications.
Yeah, this book is all about competitive examinations, which contains subjects like which is useful for competitive examinations like GPAT, drug inspector, government pharmacist, everything. And the subject covers a glimpses of 14 total subjects, and each subject contains small content followed by MCQs, previous year question papers, and 1000 fill in the blanks for each and every subjects, like that for 14 subjects. I request everyone to purchase the book. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Dr. Ram Kishan. I am Deputy Drug Control of India. In addition to that, I got the opportunity through Indian Pharmacy Congress Association Local Organizing Committee nominated me as an organizing secretary. I am blessed to publish this book as an author with the support of Dr. Jyotishri, who is one of the academician and also running ES Pharma education in Amirpet, Hyderabad, India. With her support and with her team, we have published a very well-defined, comprehensive pharmacy synapse book and useful for various competitive exams like GPAT, pharmacy recruitment, Gulf Cooperative Council, clinical pharmacy people, community pharmacy, health education, and also pharmaceutical industries interviews those who are interested to enter into quality assurance or quality control, manufacturing operations or controls, or microbiology, sterility testing, data integrity, and or other important marketing areas in order to cater the needs of stakeholders when they complete their graduation as a part of curriculum as per the prescribed rules of All India Council for Technical Education, and also to meet National Educational Policy Government of India. So with this, I am honored. We need blessings, kept our sincere efforts to develop this comprehensive book dedicated for total country to excel in their profession as a proud pharmacist to ensure quality medical products for the treatment of diseases in clinical practice for vulnerable population. Thank you very much. Because నేను 20 years నుండి పనిచేస్తున్నా, ఐఎమ్ ఆల్వేస్ ప్రౌడ్ టు సీ ఆల్ మై ఫార్మసీ పీపుల్ బికాజ్ every profession like their own people. I am fond of that, and our youngsters should get maximum opportunity to excel in their professional career. That is the only objective. And more than 12,888 people attended in this 73rd Indian Pharmaceutical Congress, registered, and our Vasuji is the convener of this Indian Pharma Congress. With his support, sir is the chairman of the Back to Lag. We are all honored, proud to see all of people, all of us for the betterment of society, and also proud movement to see all regulators, academia, industry, and thankful to media, particularly Highbase, taking lead with respect to promotion as far as pharmacy is concerned. Thank you very much.